Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, heated seats, power sunroof, power liftgate, navigation system, Bose sound system, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.